Okay, so in your digital portfolio, you're going to have a slideshow that acts like a blog. And so to do this, you're going to start in your Google Drive and you're going to get a new Google slide. So, and you're going to call your slideshow anything you want really, but I'm going to call mine, go away. I'm going to call mine blog reflections. Okay, and then I might say IT442 blog reflections, and I can put my name here. And of course, you can decorate it and all that kind of wonderful stuff. But the idea is, instead of actually having a real blog, we're going to blog within our Google site. This is a good option for classrooms as well when you're trying to just kind of have everything in one place. So I'm using a slide presentation for my blog. So each slide would be a different blog post. So this is just the beginning, and every time I needed to add a slide, so like for today, I'm going to add a slide and I'm going to reflect on today's class. And so I would write a reflection, maybe add a picture or whatever of today's class. So that would be my blog for today. And then the next time I am asked to do an exit slip or a blog, I would just add another slide and then add it in there. Okay, so that's on this end. The other thing that's really important to remember, so here I am in my Google Drive. I need to go over to Share, and I need to click on Advanced and Change, and I need to change this to anyone with the link can view. Okay? If I have it as private, if you put it in your digital portfolio, people who aren't you are not going to be able to see it. And it's really tricky because you can see it and you're not realizing that other people aren't seeing it. So make sure that you save all of your work that you're publishing in your digital portfolio as anyone with the link. So I'm going to click Save there, and that's done. And now I'm going to go to my portfolio, and I have a page called Blog Reflections. So I'm going to come over here to Slides. There's a couple of ways you can do this. You can find it in your Drive, all kinds of different ways. But I'm going to come over here to Slides, and I'm going to find that particular um, slideshow, which happens to be right here. And I'm going to click there, and then I'm going to click Insert. And now it pops in here, and I can make it bigger and center it or whatever. Okay, so now my slideshow is in my um, my digital portfolio. So I can come over here and I can look at the published site. Remember, because I'm logged in, it's me. Even if I hadn't shared, I would see it. So you need to make sure that other people can see it as well. So as I add to this, it will add in here. So that is how we're going to do our blog within our digital portfolio.